Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix display black and white Realme 16 Pro. Let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, so turn off sleep mode. After turn off sleep mode, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on display and brightness. After click on display and brightness, scroll down and click on screen color mode and click on natural. After click on natural, go back to home screen and you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on display and brightness and turn off dark mode. After turn off dark mode, go back to home screen and you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on settings app, scroll down to end, click on system and update. After click on system and update, click on backup and reset and click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Enter your phone pin and click on reset. So it just reset all setting. It's not clean and remove your phone memory and data. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix display black and white Realme 16 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.